Hello everybody, this is Nikki. I am here today to do a first installment of So You Only Have 10 Minutes with Call Me Crafty Al's newest sketch and supply list. This is really going to be fun. It's a different, a little bit different layout and different card base. It's folded over and it's really cute. So I've got my trimmer, I've got my papers, I've got a few little Thanksgiving type embellishments I got off of Etsy. So this is Craft 100 pound cardstock. I'm trying out this new camera. I just got it. It's an Activon CX, and Shell Ratcliffe, one of YouTubers that does junk journals with her husband Clint, and they do have an Etsy shop. She suggested this, so I thought I would try it, and so far so good. And we will continue. This is Stampin' Up. This all came out of one set, autumn set. I'm not sure the name of it now, but it's from Stampin' Up. They call it Designer Series paper. And then this is a piece from Photoplay. It's just one-sided. So I thought that all looked pretty good together. Okay. Let us start by cutting the card bases. Let's go down to 10 minutes. Reset. Okay, let's try to go back to 0, which I don't know how to do that. Reset. There we go. That was easy. Alright. 10 minutes on the clock. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do 8 cards. So I'm going to cut 4 pieces. One, two, 3. Okay. Oh. The blade fell off. Okay. Alright, so let's dig out. Well, let's dig out a bone folder. No, maybe not. Like she did in her video, we can use the plastic part to fold these. Although mine's not quite as wide as hers. Let's go ahead and fold them all just straight like the usual A2 for now, and then I'll go back and fold it back over. Okay. I like to make specific Thanksgiving cards, so this is perfect. I know my this has quite a big range on it. We'll see how it goes. What you see is literally what you see is what you get, because from where I'm looking at on my phone from here, it's wireless, so I can see it on my phone. It's a really wide screen, so I don't know how much you all see until I replay the video on my camera. Okay, now let's go ahead and fold. Let's see. She do it. Let's fold this piece back on itself. Okay, there's one. And we have 6 minutes left. Two. This will be fun to repeat for Christmas cards, I think. But right now I do need some Thanksgiving cards, so I'm going to go with the flow. Okay, there's that one. One more. I'm going to start on the paper. Of course, the last one would give me a little bit of problem. Okay, there's all those. Now let's get started on the paper. She's got it set up. It's almost like a one-sheet wonder. Okay, we want 2 4x5 1/4. So let's do those. 5 1/4 by 4. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, I hate it when it's got a design. Let's 5 1/4 by 4. I'll figure it out. Five and a quarter by 4 from that sheet, and then we'll do 2 3x4. So there's that. There's one of those. Now let's do another 3x4. Oops. I think I messed up. Let me see. 3, yeah. 3x4. Or if that was 4, so this is 3. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. Now these extra pieces, it's 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. Okay, 5 1/4. By 1 7/8. So that would be like right here. So there's 2, and we were supposed to have oh, I probably messed that totally up. Let's see, yeah. I have another sheet of those, so let's keep going. Okay, down to 1 minute. 5 1/4 by 4. Let's see. Let's do 4 first. Four by 5 1/4. 5 1/4. And then we have 3 by 4. Okay, and now we can maybe do all 4 of these. 5 1/4. Yeah, 5 1/4. Okay, by 1 7/8. Okay, there. That one went better. Okay, there we go. Okay. We got 1 full set done. One piece of paper done just right. And then the other one I need to get another piece and to do 2 more of the 5 1/4 by 1 7/8 pieces. And then I'll do the other 2 just like that, and we'll be ready to go putting everything together and finishing on some cardstock. So thank you for joining me, and I'm going to see you real soon.